Good morning. It's summer holiday and we are at Paultons Park for Peppa Pig World.
Finally, it's not raining.
Yeah, it's not raining today, is it? It's good. It's a nice sunny summer holiday day. Yeah, we love this fountain. That's so cool. What are we going to go and do first, Zack? Do you know? Should we go and look at Peppa Pig World first? We got the new haunted mansion to do. We've not done that before, have we? Yeah, and I'm hoping the splash pads are open. That's going to be good.
Can we do the splash pad first?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, we should.
Let's go. Let's go see what we can find. Welcome to Paultons Park. Look, I like the space stuff they've got in there.
What are we doing first?
I don't know. Let's go and see. Let's go and see. Go and get Zack's access card first of all, which is come through. Yeah, I like that. It's this right over here next to the toilets there, I think. You like this, don't you? The globe.
So heavy. So heavy to pick up.
All right, what can you see? Is that Antarctica there? Oh, it's got upside down. South America. It's upside down, is that? Oh yeah, look, they've changed it down here at least because of the haunted mansion area. This all looks new and nice. Zack, what colour's your access band today?
Green.
Oh, you got a green one, did you? Okay.
Yeah, always have
We've got
green.
your little the access.
It's quite even though it's a Sunday, it's quite quiet here today.
Yeah, so we might actually be able to go and walk on the new haunted mansion ride. What's it called? I keep getting it wrong.
Ghostly Manor.
Ghostly Manor. I keep calling it haunted mansion. We might go and look at the new Ghostly Manor ride now.
No, not the Ghostly Manor.
Yes, come on. It's a laser ride, Zack. Don't think so.
Quiet.
Yeah.
It's a bit like laser raiders.
Yeah. Look at Legoland.
Is it got a laser at the front?
You shoot with a laser gun. You love
Do you
like
shoot?
ghosts. Because it's called Ghostly Manor.
Got Ghostly Manor.
Yeah.
Look, see that?
The Ghostly Manor entrance. There you go. Oh, I like this. I like that swing. Look, that swing's going by itself. There's a ghost swinging. Whoa, what's that? There's a screen here, look. Whoa. Zack, look at the way this tables and chairs have been stacked. That's spooky. It is spooky, isn't it? Zack, look, there's a well. Into the Ghostly Manor. They're great lights, aren't they?
Do you think that's ghosts inside, right?
Let's stand next to that statue. Can you stand there? Some ghosts in there.
What colours can you see? They've captured ghosts in there. Whoa. Look at there, I love that.
Dr. Kinley here, ghost hunter extraordinaire. Thank goodness you're there at my manor. I'm in dire need of your
Zack,
help.
there's a ghost in there.
No, my ghost containment units are on the fritz, and those pesky phantoms
There's a ghost in there.
Yeah, he's there.
On the TV. Lisa, have you seen this? Look, you're actually on the TV there, look.
Yeah.
Zack, you're on that telly. Zack, look at the little TV screen. Can you see yourself? What are these
Is that over
colours?
this way? Hey guys, push!
I'm going to try and get a clock. Get a clock. What if we get the candles?
I'm red.
Well, I like the tables here, look. Try to get a cups. tabletop moves. Whoa! And the chandelier's moving. Ah! Whoa! That's really cool. So, Zacky, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Get the ghosts.
Actually, your scores are working. Shoot the window.
So there's a hose pipe moving down there. Spiders! There's spiders coming down. Oh, those spiders are really scary. What's that, Zack?
Venus flytrap.
It's a Venus flytrap. Oh, it's moving. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my life, that is scary. Get it, get it, get it. Take it out now. Yeah, no. I just at the last minute I started getting some good scores.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Get the ghost, get the ghost. Okay.
It doesn't have a laser on front.
Go on, what you on? 58, 58.
Clever work, team. Boogie and the ghosts are contained once again. You've truly saved the day. Check your
Really good.
scores to see how well each of you has done.
Oh, I like that ride.
As you make your way out, please follow.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and it's just so much fun.
Oh look! Oh my God! Loose my face. What is that?
Look at yours.
What is that? Where are you?
Cheese.
I'm sorry.
So is that the bit you think where the score is? That's hilarious. Wow. Do you want to do it again, Zack?
Let's go to Peppa Pig World.
You want to go to Peppa Pig World? Lovely sunny day. Yes. Carousel looks good. Where do you want to go now, Zack?
Over there.
You're pointing, aren't you? You want to go Peppa Pig World, don't you?
Yeah, so let's go now.
Yeah. Here's your favourite Peppa Pig World. Isn't it? Good one, Zacky. Oh look, the balloon ride. And the helicopter ride.
Look, these are stones.
You want to see if the barrier goes? What about the train? Here we go.
So hot.
Keep your arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Here we go.
Here we go. Whoa, we've got to keep an eye out for Mummy Pig. This is great. You gonna sing?
Tree.
Hi, Mummy.
That's spiky.
Hi, Mummy.
See that? That's spiky.
It is, isn't it?
I say, come on, Spiky.
Yeah.
Final lap to go.
Final lap.
I can see the wheels.
I can see the balloon
I
ride.
can see.
I can see Peppa's house.
I can hear the helicopter.
I can see Daddy Pig's car ride. And I can see Pedro Pony's photos. That's where you get your photos from. And Mrs. Rabbit's ice cream parlour. Very cool.
Cool.
Here we go into the station.
So we'll see till the little trains come to a complete stop.
Yeah, wait for it to come to a complete stop. There we go. Push, push, push.
But do you want to do the boat ride?
Let's do the boat. Let's go see the ducks.
There we go. You can either duck under the boat.
Those ducks love this ride, don't they? Oh, there he goes. All aboard! Hey, let's go!
It goes up and down.
It does go up and down.
Like
I
a
didn't think it would go
dog.
up and down, but it does.
Woohoo! Love it!
Here's the lever, Mummy. Can I? That's it, like that.
Very cool. That's well good. Grandpa Pig's boat ride, love it. Is that good, Zack? You're gonna wait for the ducks.
Hi,
Here they
duck.
come.
Please help us make sure this listening with a virus children undergoing computer or trauma must remain on the rear seat of the dinosaur.
Okay, I can see you. Hey, Zack. I'm here, look. Hello.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Going around the volcano. You go and get you changed, and then you can go in and get a bit wet, yeah, on the splash pad.
Yeah.
That looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yay! Ooh, get me wet. Oh yeah!
Go underneath it, Mummy.
Huh? Getting wet. Wow.
You can see a shadow.
Ooh, got me wet. Every time you try and grab them, they turn off. Yay! You gonna go with that?
No.
Why? Look at you.
Get it.
Gonna work? Yay!
That was a good.